Hey guys, hello family. So let's get to it. Welcome to Test My Automation Tuesday. So I'm Sarah Johnson. I'm founder of Virtual Yours LLC, where faith meets systems and structure creates peace. With everything that's going on, don't we need a little bit of peace? So every Tuesday, I'm going to go live so that I can show you guys what I'm doing, but also test a real automation that helps faith-driven leaders, entrepreneurs, and ministries save your time and flow in purpose. Because, let's be honest, you can't manage what you don't structure, and you can't scale what you don't steward. And we are all about striving for stewardship in this season. So today I'm going to walk you through how I build simple automations